Hi, it's Tasha with WTI. I want to share with you this nifty gadget I use in my kitchen every day. It's the scoop and bag clip. When I got this scoop bag clip, I thought to myself, why didn't I think of that? It's perfect and so convenient. It's something that I can just leave on the bag. I don't have to go to the silverware drawer to look for a scoop. I use it with my loose leaf teas. I use it with my flours, with my sugars. I use it also with my coffees. It really works with any bag that you want it to. I never am worrying about the product coming out. I feel like it gives it a really good seal. Has like these alligator teeth that really grab onto the bag. So it's a product that I use every day. As you can see, this has become super handy around my kitchen, and that's my point of view.